Today I'm so excited to film this video. I'm so excited because after trying this remedy for 1 month, I'm here to make this video with you guys. Like, this thing works like magic. It works like magic. This is bitter cola on my hand. This is bitter cola. Bitter cola is a fruit, like a fruit in Africa. I don't know, Africa, South America. Is a very effective fruit. You can Google it, you will see bitter cola. This thing is very effective, and this thing has a lot of functions, like a lot of functions. It functions in many different areas. So what I'm going to be hitting on today is like the one I'm going to be hitting today that works perfectly for me is when you use this bitter cola, wow, you will come back and say, thank you, Ebony. You come and thank me. Use it and come and thank me. Say thank you. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony in the building. How are you guys doing? If you're joining me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please kindly hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's just dive straight to the video. So guys, in today's video, as you can see, we are going to be talking about how you can make your joystick stronger, bigger, and harder. This is what we are going to talk about today. So if you're having issues with your joystick, you are having issues with your third leg, you're having issue with your center leg, this video is for you. Like this recipe I'm going to give you, try it for 1 week. You are going to see a great difference. So now we have bitter cola here, and you all know that bitter cola is a very good fruit that is from Africa. This bitter cola helps a lot, most especially to increase sexual performance. It's very good for the body. And bitter cola also helps to fight against a sexual transmitting disease, STD. So it's a very good product. So we are moving on to ginger. As we all know, ginger is a very good root that is also found in Africa. This root is very helpful. It will help you for your libidos, low libidos. If you don't have that libido that you don't want to do every time, you're just like, oh, I'm tired, I'm not in the mood, this bitter cola will help you to ginger the mood to come up. This is a very good fruit that also comes from Africa. So as you can see, I'm just peeling the ginger. I'm about peeling the ginger. This root is very effective. You can Google it if you don't believe. It's very effective. Ginger helps for a lot of things. It also helps even to prevent the risk of cancer in our body. You can check it on Google. It's a very good fruit which we are going to use for this recipe. So if you're having issues, just try it. Believe me, for 1 week you will get a great result. So as you can see, I've finished peeling the bitter cola. I'm just grinding it now. I'm grinding the bitter cola just to grind it out. So if you don't have a blender, you can use this grater to grind the bitter cola. Just make sure you grind it out, and at the end of the day, if you can use this small part of the blender, of the grater, you can use this part of the grater, and you have it very tiny. So, and if you want it in a bigger slice, that you want it bigger, you can move to this side. You can use every part of the grater to grate your bitter cola. So guys, this is why in Africa in those days, our fathers, our great-grandfathers, they're able to marry more than one wife, and they were able to satisfy all of them. In today's world, you see, you have just one wife. Your wife is complaining. She's complaining, wow, I'm tired. My husband is not satisfying me. My husband is not this. Your wife will be telling you, oh, please, let's do. Oh, I'm tired. I'm weak. Try this recipe. If you're a woman here, just give it to your husband. Just give it to your husband. If you're the type that have that type of husband that always give you excuses, just do this recipe and give it to him. You can give him 2 hours before you do the do. You can even give him even every morning, like for 1 week, then you get a perfect result. As you can see, I'm still grating the bitter cola, which is very, very, very good. Just grate it like this. You can also use the blender. If you don't want to use the grater to grate it, you can use also the blender. It works like magic. The grater is it's more even difficult. With the blender, it will just blend very fast and you are good to go. In this recipe, I'm using just 2 bitter colas, that's 1 ginger that you have seen, and I'm going to use 1 lemon in this recipe. So I'm just grating and grating the ginger. I just want to show you it's very difficult to grate, so you have to make it very hard. Grate and grate and grate until you're done grating. So guys, this recipe is amazing. This recipe is amazing. Try it. Your joystick will be not only stronger, it will be bigger, and it will make you like you will be on the mood every time. Like you won't say no. You won't be saying no. Like this thing will make your body to wake up your body system. If you are the type that is a bit weak, you're tired, it will just wake up your body system. Instead of taking like alcohol, beer to wake you up, take this one 2 hours before you do the do. Believe me, you'll get a great result. This is tested. Like the result is handsome, guys. So I'm done grating the bitter cola, and I also did this is the ginger I've just finished grating. Then I sliced some piece of it. So that piece of it that I've sliced there, you can chew it, like chew it in your mouth. It's very, very amazing. You will love this recipe. You will love this recipe, as I'm telling you guys. So after watching this video, try this recipe, come back and tell me in the comment section how you feel about this recipe. Like, tell me in the comment section. This recipe is just all about ginger, bitter cola, and lemon. This is what we use for this recipe, and this is amazing. So I'm done making I added the bitter cola and the bitter cola and the ginger together. So now I just put it in a very hot water. I'm sorry, the hot water was not shown here. I added a very hot water to it, to the bitter cola and the ginger. So now I have just turned it. This is hot water, is very hot now, and later on I'm going to leave it to sit for a while. Then I'm going to add lemon to it. Add this lemon to it, and this lemon will help you to fight against all diseases in your body, and it will clean your body very well. So guys, this is the end of this recipe. Try it and come back to tell me if you love it, if it's very, very effective. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to try it, you know this video is going to be of help to you, kindly hit the subscribe button so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye.